All right, what I got here is a underhood light that I bought on Amazon. I think it was about $16, and it looks. This is not what I was expecting, but yeah, it'll work. You probably could have pieced this together yourself for maybe cheaper, but hook this switch up for my hood so when I open it, it makes contact and will work. Now, this is interesting because this is connecting the ground to the chassis, so you need to make sure that this is on bare metal. Um, so if you mount this somewhere where there's paint, you're gonna have to scratch it off. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this. All right, here's what I got so far. I got the switch right here, and I'm thinking about putting in this one. I'm gonna have to put some washers in here to hold it in there, but I'm thinking about putting it there because I can get to the back side of it really easily to tighten it and everything. And I'm gonna have the wires come up through here and then follow the hood release cable here. I don't know, either go in there or go in there, maybe there, since I can follow this cable up all the way. So I didn't scrape any paint off of here, but it looks like it's fine grounding. So there you go, 12.57 volts. So I think we're fine. Okay, here's what I have. I'm trying not to spend any money on this, so I have these little wire things here with a screw hole in them. And what I was hoping is I could just mount this directly on here, but I don't have one that's big enough to fit this. And then what I was going to do is up here, put them like that, and then just put the light strip in there, so then those all can hold it, and then put the adhesive on there too. But that's not going to work. But if you wanted to do this for real, you could go and buy bigger ones of these, and that would probably be the best solution. But I'm just going to put them off to the side here and then use them as zip ties. I have some smaller ones, so. All right, life pro tip here: if you don't have fish tape, Romex works great. All right, we got this all wired up here. Okay, so up here is our light. See if I can turn it off. Okay. Well, anyways, I got two zip ties up there, one right there, one over there, and the hood release is holding it up too, and it's stuck on there, so the thing ain't never falling down. Okay, so then we have the cable sneaks back through here. There's a hole behind that molding. Ran it all through here. Then I came out that hole right there, and I followed the hood release cable also. And zip tied it a couple times. Zip tied it. And pretty much followed it all the way back to right here. And I opened shut the hood a couple times just to make sure it wasn't going to catch on anything. And then we were running it back through here. Kind of just hanging in there, but whatever. It's good for now. And there's a lot of open space in there. I wonder, might have to do something in there. Figure out something to do in there. In any case, I come back around here, and then we're coming out under there. You can't see it, but this is the wire right here again. Is that the wire? Oh, I'm sorry. Nope, this is the wire. And I came around here, and I went into a terminal right here. I'm gonna have to find something better to do all my connections, but I just borrowed that post for now because I think that's my. I had a dealer install the hitch, and they put the lights for the hitch right there, so I use that one too. So I'm gonna have to figure out something better for that, but that's good enough for now. Okay. All right, well, I think that just about does it. It's definitely a lot easier to see in here now. I was having to use the flash before, and now I can see great. Okay, here's what it looks like without the underhood light on, and here's what it looks like when it's on. Yeah, definitely a lot easier to see. Let me go to another part. Okay, there's it on. Off. See if I get one of the hole. Yeah, it definitely helps. Definitely helps. Yeah, that thing is super sensitive because even if I just pop my hood, it turns on, but yeah, you can see it turning off. Anyways, I wanted to show you what it looks like in the dark. All right, look at this. All right, it's completely pitch black in here, so this is simulating what it would look like if you were stuck in the woods somewhere. Yeah, no light. And I called this cable back here the hood release. This is the windshield wiper, whatever you call it, tube. And thank you again for watching.